Okay, let's have a go at 37 then. Express 0.432 recurring as a fraction. So let's start writing out and get a feel for what this is then, shall we? So this number is equal to 0.4 plus 0.032, isn't it? And then there's another 32 after that, so it'll be plus 0. And I need to go along 3 spaces and put another 32. And then I need to add on another 32, so I need to go along 4, 5 to the 6th digit along. 4, 5, plus those 5 and then another 32, plus dot dot dot. So that's what we've got. So we've got 0.4 plus 32 over, this is the noughts, tens column, this is hundreds, this is the thousands. So I can write that as 32 over 1,000. And then this one, I can write that as 32 over what? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Agreed? And then the next one will be 32 over, I've got to be careful here. That's 1, that's 10 with 1 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. 10 million, isn't it? 10 million, 7 zeros. Plus dot dot dot. So let's try and make some sense of this now. We've got 0.4 plus, well, we could take the 32 out common, couldn't we? And we could also take the 1,000 out common, couldn't we? We could do that, or we can just leave it in. Let's just leave it in for now. So it's 32 over 1,000. We can treat that as the first term, so to speak, can't we? Plus, it will be 32 over 1,000. You times that by 1 over 100, don't you? To get 100,000. And then the next term, you've got 32 over 1,000. You can take 3 of the zeros. And then you've got 4 left, which is like 1 over 100 squared. And 1 over 100 squared you can write as 1 over 100 all squared. Great. Plus dot dot dot. I think that's it, because now we've written it in the form that we're familiar with. 0.4 is just a constant at the front. That's R, isn't it? And this would be A times R squared. So here, A is equal to 32 over 1,000, and R is equal to 1 over 100, and the modulus of that is less than 1, so we're happy about that. So there's no problem with the sum to infinity. So I can just put S infinity here, so that's equal to then 0.4 plus A over 1 minus R. A is 32 over 1,000, all over 1 minus R, which is 1 over 100. Still slightly awkward. We've got 0.4 plus 32 over 1,000 on top, and this is 99 over 100. So what have we got then? We've got, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to get rid of this stuff here, if that's okay. So it gives us a bit more room on that page, because we know what A and R is. We can look at the other stuff. Let's just get rid of that. So it's 0.4 plus 32 over 99. Those two zeros, right, 2 of those will cancel with 2 of those. But the 10 must come down with a 90, so it's 32 over 990. So let's just type that in a calculator then. We've got 0.4 plus 32 divided by 990. Let's see what we get. 214 over 495. 214 over 495. Whoops, that was clever. There we go then. That's 37 done. Great. 214 over 495. Awkward numbers, but the principle is the same all the way through with these sorts of problems. Good.